The Makita Cordless Trimmer and Grass Shear 18V L.E.D is a two-in-one tool that can be used as a trimmer blade or a shear blade. It has a cutting speed of 2,500 SPM for efficient cutting and can run for up to 220 minutes on a single BL1850B battery charge. The tool has a hook hole in the bottom for convenient hanging on a wall. The lock-off button is operable from both the left and right sides to minimize accidental startup. The battery capacity warning system turns on an indicator light and is engineered to automatically stop the motor to notify the user when it's time to recharge the battery. The hedge trimmer blade has a more effective coating. The Makita 18V L.E.D pruning saw is a compact and lightweight cordless saw designed for pruning garden and orchard trees. With a 100mm squared bar and 18V Li and L.E.D slide-type battery, it features a powerful 18V brushless motor that delivers up to 320 watts maximum output power and 8.0 meters per second chain speed. Safety features include a lock-off lever, rear hand guard, automatic chain lubrication, and electric brake. It also has toolless chain replacement and tension adjustment and a movable guard to cover the upper side of the guide bar. Makita MAKPAC Organizer Set is a stackable and efficient tool storage solution. It includes 13 removable compartments with a clear lid and interlocking latches. The organizer set features pivoting side carrying handles, lid locking handle, and raised gridded plastic base. Additionally, it has interior molded rulers for measuring in metric and imperial. The Makita-built variable speed motor delivers 0 to 6000 strokes per minute for fast and efficient cutting. It cuts up to 9/4 feet of half drywall on a single charge. The adjustable blade depth helps prevent damage to objects behind the board being cut, and the dust box contains dust for operator convenience. The rubberized soft grip handle provides increased comfort, and the 3-stage LED gauge indicates battery charge level. The Rapid Optimum Charger optimizes battery life by actively controlling current, voltage, and temperature. The tool is compatible with Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries with a star symbol and comes with a 3-year limited warranty. The Makita Brushless Cordless Deep Capacity Rebar Tying Tool is a powerful and efficient tool designed for fast and efficient tying of rebar. It has a maximum tying capacity of 8x7 rebar and a minimum tying capacity of 4x4 rebar. The tool can perform up to 5,000 ties of 4x4 diameter rebar using an 18V L.E.D 50Ah battery. The two-mode operation provides single or continuous wire tie actuation for fast and efficient tying. The brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. The tool weighs only 5.7 pounds with the 18V L.E.D battery for reduced operator fatigue. The tool is compatible with Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries with a star symbol. The Makita Concrete Vibrator Kit provides an effective solution for concrete strengthening when running a corded tool is not feasible. It features 2 power mode selections and can deliver up to 15,500 vibrations per minute, making it suitable for a variety of job site applications. With a 5/2 shaft length and 1/1/4 vibrator diameter, it ensures effective leveling and removal of air bubbles in concrete. The kit is powered by a Makita-built motor and compatible with 40V SEX GD40Ah battery for up to 16 minutes of runtime. Its compact and ergonomic design with a protective battery cover makes it an ideal choice for professionals who seek efficient and comfortable operation. The Makita Recipro saw is a high-performance cordless saw with a BL motor, constant speed control, and orbital function. Its lightweight design and horizontal crank-type counterweight reduce vibration for less hand fatigue. It has a 32mm squared stroke length and variable speed control for efficient cutting, and an extended blade life in stainless cutting applications. The blade ejection lever is conveniently located, and the shoe features an anti-drop mechanism for easy removal. The ergonomically designed handle ensures comfort during difficult cutting applications. The Makita BO481 18-volt cell XT finishing sander offers cordless mobility, allowing for stress-free sanding anywhere. It features high power and a 14,000 OPM motor for fast and smooth finish sanding. The electric brake provides increased productivity by quickly stopping the motor after the trigger is released. The sander is also compatible with the base and 4 pads used for current corded models, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. With its cordless design, high power, and smooth operation, the Makita BO481 is perfect for finishing sanding on a variety of surfaces. The Makita ML7G is a powerful cordless flashlight and spotlight with a 40 volts max XGD battery. It offers 4 modes of operation and can illuminate up to 640 yards in spot and spot/flood mode, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor applications. The fast charging battery provides up to 10 hours of continuous illumination in spotlight mode. The flashlight features a 90 degrees pivoting head, durable design, and metal hang hook for added convenience. With its compact and ergonomic design, the Makita ML7G is easy to handle and reduces operator fatigue during extended use. The Makita Brushless Backpack Blower is a cordless, eco-friendly alternative to gas-powered outdoor equipment with a Makita-built brushless motor that delivers a high blowing force of 22 newtons. The tube-mounted variable speed trigger adjusts between 0 to 670 CFM for power and runtime management, and there is a cruise control lever speed lock on variable speed trigger for comfortable continuous operation. The nozzle has a downward endpoint to reduce arm fatigue and provides powerful airflow, and it telescopes to 3 stages. The backpack blower can deliver over 4 hours of runtime with the Connect X1 200 WH portable backpack power supply. Makita's Auto Start wireless system is a game changer for cordless power tool users. The system offers a seamless and efficient solution for managing dust extraction, increasing productivity, and conserving battery life. The Bluetooth technology allows wireless communication between the tool and dust extractor, powering on and off automatically based on tool usage. With the ability to link up to 10 AWS tools to one AWS dust extractor, the system provides a streamlined workflow, eliminating the need for manual power switching. The Auto Start wireless system is a safer and more efficient way to work, reducing grounding issues and eliminating the need for replugging cords. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Auto Start wireless system is an innovative solution that makes work easier and more convenient. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.